guys, it's William here. If you noticed, I didn't post a video last week, and I'm so sorry. I didn't post a video last week, and that was because I wasn't feeling well. I've been super busy. So here was supposed to be last week's video, and I'm so sorry. And if you follow me on social media, you would have got this update that I wasn't uploading. So go follow me on social media to get every update about my channel. And don't forget, once we reach 250 subscribers, I will make a giant Oreo. Alright guys, on with the video. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Baking and Buttercream. St. Patrick's Day is coming up, and today we're making a Shamrock Swiss roll cake. So let's take a break and bake. St. Patrick's Day is coming up, and I'm so excited to be baking this Swiss roll cake for you guys. If you enjoy Shamrock shakes, and then you're totally going to enjoy this Shamrock Swiss roll cake. So, give this video a like and share with all your Shamrock loving friends. And comment down on another treat you want me to make for another holiday or just for anything. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and click the bell icon to get notified when I upload. Now let's make the Shamrock Swiss roll cake. The ingredients you'll need are 1 cup flour, 3/4 cup of flour, 3/4 cups of powdered sugar, a 1/2 cup of sugar, 4 egg whites, 3 egg whites, 7 tablespoons of butter, and 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon cream of tartar, green food coloring, or blue and yellow food coloring if you ran out of green food coloring like I did. The first step to making these Swiss roll cakes: in a large mixing bowl, add your 7 tablespoons of butter and your powdered sugar and mix that all together until it's light and fluffy and well combined. After you're all done mixing that up, add your 3 egg whites into the bowl and mix it up again. Once your egg whites are all done mixing, reduce the speed of your mixer and then gradually add your flour in until it's all well incorporated. Now we got our decoration batter. So I just dyed the screen and then I piped it onto a little template I made. So I'm using a silicone 19 by 13 inch pan. I made this template with multiple shamrocks on it. It'll be down in the description box below if you want to get it. And I'm just going around the borders of the shamrocks and then filling them in with the decoration batter. And then I'll put those in the freezer. Now we're gonna make this sponge cake-like batter to go on top of the shamrocks. For the sponge cake-like batter, you're gonna need 2 separate bowls. In one bowl, you're gonna add your egg whites, 1/2 of your granulated sugar, and your cream of tartar. You're gonna mix this up until you reach hard peaks. I have a little video of that, of what it should look like. In our other bowl, add your egg yolks and the rest of the sugar and mix that up all together. Then you will fold in your egg white mixture into the egg yolks until it's well combined. And now it's time to mix it up. Then you're gonna add your flour, add your 4 tablespoons of butter to this mixture after you have melted it. Mix that all together. Now take your shamrocks out of the freezer, remove the template underneath and all the tape, and pour your sponge cake batter on top of it. And then tap the tray on the counter a little bit to get out any air bubbles. Then you'll put this in the oven at 375 for 7 minutes. Whenever your cake is all done baking, just use a knife and cut along the sides. Then take a piece of parchment paper and put it on top of the cake, starting from the short end. Roll it slowly until you have your roll cake shape. You're gonna let it cool like that for about 30 minutes or until it's completely cool. We don't want our filling in the middle to melt. After your cake is all done cooling, roll it back out, take off that piece of parchment paper that you put on there, and put some frosting that you have on the cake. And if you have any cracks like I did, just fill it with extra buttercream. No one will know. And then after you fill it completely full of buttercream, just roll it back up really carefully. Take your time with this part. Then after you roll it up, cut off the sides. Okay guys, our Swiss roll cake is all complete, and man, it looks so good. I put some gold buttercream in there just to give it a different color. Now it's time for the taste test. This is a really good cake, and I just really like the idea of this cake. It's a cake, but you roll it, and it's a lot different. It has a different aesthetic than a normal cake would. And it tastes amazing, so you guys should really try this recipe, and it's pretty easy for a first-time beginner. I wonder if you eat enough of this cake if you'll turn into a leprechaun. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video of Baking and Buttercream. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a Shamrock Swiss roll cake. It was so good, and man, I could just taste the Shamrock magicalness of St. Patrick's Day. So if you have any more future ideas for a baking and buttercream video, make sure to comment it down below and let me know any challenge video ideas that you have. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. Share this video to all your friends who love St. Patrick's Day, who love to get the Shamrock shakes, who love anything really. Just share this video with all your friends. That's all I'm asking. So click one of these two videos right here. This one YouTube thinks you'll really enjoy. I think you'll enjoy this one. So click the Baking and Buttercream logo over here to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a great day.